Hello and welcome to the lecture on additional tags. So I'll create a folder called additional tags. Okay, and I'm going to copy paste a file. This file will be available from your material folder. Let's review this file. So it has some additional tags that is available in the HTML. Let's quickly review it and first view the output, then we'll review the tags. Okay, so you have the block quotes. If you want to write quotes like this, you can use a tag called block quotes. Then you can mark up your text, you can underline your text, you can strike through it, you can superscript it, you can subscript it, you can write small, you can write dotted, abbreviation kind of thing, quotation, citation. Then you have definitions, then you have markup, that is highlighting, you have variables, okay, marking up the variables. So all these things are predefined and these are small tags available for you to use. Okay, this is mostly like formatting your text. Okay, and all the tags are here. You can look at all these superscript, subscript, abbreviations. All these tags are basically here. You can have a look, play around with it. The output is here and it's clearly visible what tags is being used for what purpose. If you look at the HTML code here and the output, it is in to identify what tag will help you to do what kind of output. Okay, so these are the additional tags that is used for formatting the text. Well, these are the additional tags. You can have a look and you can use it for your formatting the text. Okay, that's all in this lecture and I'll see you in the next one.